Ka SOS Children Village Shillong kala Rakhe ke jingdap arpsan Snem jongka ka balongkum kadak bakarpang na kabenta kane gaseng ka batre shitom banyarap iki khana berkilongging baduna jingkershan haka jela mikalaya. Ka jingeseng Rakhe Silver Jubilee ka balong kampus jongka SOS Children Village Shillong ha umyam kalawan raalang yaki khana kinong sumar kinong ilam shnong Kiriu krau bani shibenta ka jingi shong yitai mat ka jingele elang ban pe shagalawe ki life artli ki children village ha kalengari ki don ya ki longing ki pakentup ya ka SOS modar bat ki para khana ka ba ai jingeda bat jingi cha gito ki khana ki bladu lane ki badon ha ka jingma bandu ya ka jing sumar na ki kimi kpa ha ka ne ka si kerpang lawan sakhilang dau Sri Polengdo Umentri ka Sarkar Meghalaya kumukongsan badu Sumantakar CEO SOS Children Village India.
Bitu ba kumno ulap ya ke yeng ita rumpai endau ban habeni ka village habeni Shillong. Many of us lack homes. A lot of people have houses but not homes, and it is our duty to reach out, make a difference. And I'd like to pay tribute to all the founders who have struggled to ensure that we do indeed become difference makers in the lives of others. One of the best known icons of humanity was never a mother in the physical sense, but the whole world reveres her as Mother Teresa. She had said, and I'd like to put this across to all of you, it should register in your minds. She had said this: the biggest affliction that affects mankind is not cholera or tuberculosis. It is the disease of being neglected, the fear of being abandoned. That was her message. And today, I'm here, despite hectic meetings and schedules, because I know you richly deserve the full endorsement and support of the state government of Maryland. We are here to partner with you. As I said yesterday, addressing the students who are differently able. What is this ability? I said most of us think of those who are physically challenged as being disabled. But what about us? Most of us have perfect eyesight, no vision. Most of us have perfect ears. We do not listen. Most of us have perfect feet. We do not move forward. Most of us have perfect hands. We do not heal. We do not touch lives. Let's therefore look inwards and see who is differently able. Once again, heartiest congratulations, and wishing that I could come back on your Golden Jubilee 25 years from today. Thank you, Kublai Vitara.